Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden.
Hi you guys, happy Wednesday, day 44.
Wow.
And we're outside in our backyard and we're ready to begin a new project.
Yep. So today we have two hydrangeas that were given to us by Bailey Nurseries. Thank you, Bailey Nurseries.
Thank you, Bailey Nurseries.
And so they are Hydrangea paniculatas, and we're going to plant them in the ground out in our backyard.
So we're going to show you where we have scoped out to plant them and tell you a little bit about what they need.
So here's one of them, and you can see it's already starting to leaf out. And this is a Hydrangea paniculata. And so they have specific blooms that look more of a cone shape. This is berry white. What a name.
So these are so beautiful. We were lucky enough to see them in bloom last year when we received them. And they basically start off white right around July, and they progress to like this beautiful dark pink or berry color kind of throughout the summer.
The color will vary depending on your location and some different environmental factors, but in general, white to berry pink. Beautiful. Now you can see their exposure to the sun is full sun to partial shade, which is good. That gives us some variability in where we can plant it. And then also the size of it, it's 6 to 7 feet high.
Whoa.
By 4 to 5 feet wide. This gets pretty big, folks. But it's going to be beautiful in this spot. So there's the position of one of the hydrangeas that we're going to plant today. And then the other one is over here. And then lots of fir trees and different shrubs. So over here, this has the rhodie behind it and then a whole bunch of fir trees. So it's going to be partial shade. Some full sun during the afternoon, but partial shade most of the day. So that's it. We got them in the ground. They're really nice, healthy plants. They were a little bit root bound, so you saw us use the shovels to kind of break up those roots. They were really thick, so they needed to be cut away. So
good thing we got them planted.
Yeah.
When we did.
Yeah, it's a beautiful day to do it. So we're gonna step back and show you one of the plants in its new home. Oh, there it is right there. Nice.
Yeah, does that look nice? We're really happy with that.
Yeah, that'll really like its new spot, grow into it. A lot of room to grow.
Thank you guys so much for being here and for watching today's episode.
Yep, if you have any comments or questions, go ahead and leave them down below in the comments area. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button to let us know we're doing a good job. And then subscribe so you get updates on our newest videos and content.
And that's all for today, you guys, so we'll be back tomorrow with another project.
Yep, day 45 coming up.
See you tomorrow, everybody.
See you, everybody.
Bye.
Bye-bye.